see if Paw Patrol cars can go down the ramp, through the loop-de-loop, down another ramp, and then into the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower ball pit.
That's right. It's got to be able to jump into it, right?
Right.
So it's got to go down the ramp and through.
But first, we're going to try it with Mario.
So we're going to try the Mario Kart. Because Mario Kart, he's pretty good at going across ramps, right?
Right, okay.
So here's Mario in his car.
He's ready to go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, he didn't make it this time.
Hold on.
He didn't make it. He didn't make it. We'll try it one more time, right? Okay, so here's Mario. Ready?
Yay!
Oh, he made it! Wiggles is excited. But I think the members of Paw Patrol are going to go way faster.
Yeah, I think so too.
All right, wait. You know what? You know who likes being chased by Mario?
Waffles!
Waffles. Let's see how Waffles does. Ready, Waffles? I can't even see Waffles. Wiggles is right there. Okay. Waffles, you want to see Mario? Waffles is like definitely staying away. All right, Assistant. Wiggles is barking a lot, so we probably should get him away, right?
Right.
All right, so we got to find the members of Paw Patrol so they can race down the ramp.
Yeah. Okay, let's check first. Maybe. Where should we look first?
I don't know. So a lot of them are hiding, right?
Right, maybe under this?
Okay. Hey, who's that?
What? It's Skye!
It's Skye. Take to the sky, right? All right, so should we see if Skye can go down there?
Yeah!
All right, so let's turn our cameras on and check. Because it's going to take us 1 second here to get everything set up. So there's Skye, right there, right? All right, so there's Skye, right up there. She's got to go through the loop-de-loop and then down, right?
Ready? 3, 2, 1,
Go, Skye!
go!
Oh, she didn't make it, Assistant.
No!
Should we try again?
Yeah.
So pick up Skye and we're gonna try it. Wiggles, Waffles, what do you think? Skye didn't make it. She's gotta make it over the jump. We'll give her one more try. She goes up there. All right.
3,
Wait 1 sec.
2, 1,
Go!
go!
Oh, she didn't even make it like off the ramp. All right. So let's try one more time. Cause I don't know why she's not. She should be making it closer to the ramp. So here's Skye. I'm gonna record her right here. We gotta figure out what is causing her to veer off the course. So she should come down here. She should go down the loop. Go on here. You know what? I think it's pushed too far forward, Assistant. Push it back a wee bit.
Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, she made it. Oh, well, Skye actually fell out. But
Her car made it.
her car made it. Her car made it. All right, Assistant. So that was awesome that Skye made it.
Yeah.
All right. So now what we got to do is we've got to find the rest of the Paw Patrol pups.
Okay.
So let's see. You found Skye. Hey, what? Oh, is that over there by Mario?
Buzz Lightyear, but not just any Buzz Lightyear. It's the Buzz Lightyear that can fly.
Oh, this is Waffles' favorite toy. Waffles.
Whoa.
Waffles, you want to get Buzz?
Whoa. Whoa.
Fly around with it. Waffles.
Huh.
Wait, where's Buzz taking you?
Over here. Whoa. Whoa.
Well, Buzz is flying over there.
Whoa. Okay, Buzz. Whoa. Waffles loves the Buzz Lightyear.
There's Waffles. He's trying to get Buzz.
Whoa.
You don't have
Whoa.
Buzz. Wait, over here by this tent, right?
Right.
We'll put Buzz up there for a minute. So here's a tent.
Waffles, go in there. Go in there.
Is there anything
Go in there, Waffles. Waffles, go in there.
Waffles, you can go inside?
What about Wiggles?
Wiggles, you can go inside?
I'll go inside.
It's a cozy looking tent.
There's even a window.
Hey, what's that? It's a giant Paw Patrol Rescue Vehicle, right?
Oh yeah! I don't think this one can go down the ramp.
We gotta try it though, right?
Right. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You're dropping everything, Assistant.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So here's the ramp. So just to let you guys know, look how far this ramp is. To go over that, that's a skateboard ramp. It's got to go across these panels. So well, it can't go up there. It's got to start right here.
I got a Chase.
Oh, good. Good idea. So here is Chase. Ready, go! Uh-oh. That didn't work, Assistant.
No, it didn't.
That's okay. So that Chase, I don't think it's gonna work. Do you?
No, I don't think so either.
All right, well, let's keep going over here and see what we can find. Wait a minute, Assistant. There's a remote control right here.
Oh.
I wonder what would happen if you go forward on it very slowly. Wait a minute. What's in the back of it?
Chase!
It's Chase. He's on the case. Oh, look, and look. This is Wiggles' favorite remote control car. Wiggles. Here, why don't you straighten it out, Assistant, a little bit, and then... What do you guys think? Oh, it was going to the ball. Maybe that'll be our last one. What do you think?
Yeah.
There's the car. Wiggles, what are you thinking, Wiggs? Wiggles, do you like the car? You like that big remote? Look at that big monster truck. You like it? Oh, I think it's a no. Wiggles? Waffles wants nothing to do with it. Waffles is way over here. Waffles, do you want your remote control car truck? Nope. Alright, so we'll save that for later.
Be quiet, Wiggles.
Wiggles, we gotta see if Chase is on the case and we'll make it. Right?
Right.
So move that. So the big Chase right here, is there a Chase inside of that one, Assistant? Or do we need a new?
Yeah, there's a Chase in it.
Okay, good. So we gotta turn our camera on. Alright, and so the Assistant's got, you've got Chase already up there, don't you?
Yeah.
There is Chase.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, epic collapse!
Lights out!
Should we try it again?
Yeah.
Let's try again. Sorry, Chase, that was close. He kind of veered a little bit to the right, didn't he?
Yeah.
So that means maybe we'll just make this go a little to the left. All right?
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, he made it!
Yay!
Oh, and the actual Chase made it into the...
Nice. Let's keep looking.
We gotta keep looking, okay. So Chase made it in, Skye made it in.
Woo!
Let's see. Wait, an Assistant right here by the Mario Kart. That looks like a little garage.
Where? Oh. Looks like Ryder's things on it.
Mm-hmm.
Should I go like this? Whoa.
Sure.
Whoa. Whoa.
It's Marshal and Rex.
It is Marshal and Rex. Let's go. Let's go put him down the ramp.
Let's, Waffle, we got 2 more. So we still have to find Rubble, right?
Yeah.
And we tried Skye. Who else are we forgetting? Roxy.
Rocky, right?
There's Rex. Do we have a Roxy? I don't remember if we have a Roxy.
I don't know.
All right, ready?
3, 2, 1. That was a fail.
That was a fail. You didn't make it, buddy. Should we try it again?
Yeah.
All right, so Rex really struggled.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, I don't know about Rex.
Let's go move on to Marshal.
Let's try Marshall. So there's Marshall. Marshall's up. So see if Marshall can go through the loop-de-loop and land in the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower ball pit.
Okay, here he goes.
Whoa!
First try.
Oh, high five, Assistat. That was awesome. Good job. Did you see that? That was so cool.
She thought that was cool.
Waffles thought it was awesome.
All right, let's keep looking for people.
We gotta keep looking, right?
Right.
All right, so next I think we probably should look in. There's a ball pit over here. Waffles' ball pit.
Oh yeah, Waffles. What is in the ball pit? Is there a ball in the ball pit? Get it. Whoa!
Good job, Waffles. What do you see anything in there, Waffles? Look for some, Waffles. Do you see anything?
Is there anything in there?
Waffles, what do you see?
Oh, good job, Waffles. It's Rubble.
Rubble on the double. Good job, Waffles. Good job. All right, I think we gotta help Waffles get out though. Waffles, you need help getting out?
Ugh.
Yeah, you need help getting out. Okay, good job.
Let's go down the ramp.
So we gotta try Rubble. So look, this is the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower. Ball pit. So there is Chae and Marshall. Do you see them? Do you see all the different colors in there? I see blue ball, and pink, and red. There's Skye's vehicle, yellow and orange. All right, so here's Rubble on the double. We're not quite ready yet. This is putting him up. All right, whenever you're ready, Assistant.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, he barely made it. You know, he went out the last
Just
second.
missed.
And I think the camera came off. Right, the camera didn't record it.
Okay, let's try him again.
We gotta try
so
again.
close, Rubble.
That was very close, Rubble. Very close. So he went a little bit to the right. So let's aim it just a little bit to the left. And take it right there. All right, ready?
2, 1, go!
Oh, he made it,
Made
but
it!
not very gracefully. So look, those are 4 vehicles. I want to see one of them make it all the way to the top, don't you?
I don't know if that's possible.
You don't think so?
So, Marshall had the easiest time going down it, so let's try him again.
Okay, I think we got one more member of Paw Patrol too to find. We gotta find Roxy.
Right. Look.
So here is Marshall.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, not very graceful.
Wipeout.
That was a wipeout. I think Waffles wants us to try to find. We gotta put him back in the ball pit, though, Assistant.
This way, Waffles?
Yeah. Waffles is right there. I'll turn some cameras off. All right, Waffles, you want us to go this way?
Whoa.
All right, go in here. Well, here's your gaming area. Anything?
No, maybe by the claw machine?
No? What do you see inside the claw machine? Hey, you're cheating. You got your hand inside the claw machine.
No. I don't see anything. There's some squishies.
Okay.
Let's go this way.
Through the tunnel.
Go, Waffles. Go.
Here's Waffles' play area over here.
Another ball pit. Look, Waffles.
And a regular tent. That's a tent that she really likes.
Waffles. Waffles. Get him. Get him. Come on. Come on. Come on. Whoa.
She's in.
What'd you land on, Waffles?
Did you find
Roxy.
You found Roxy in there?
Yeah.
Whoa,
The
Waffles.
final member.
The final member. Oh, look. Oh, there's like another. Waffles, look.
Oh, it's your brother. One of them.
Waffles.
Whoa. Does this look like your brother?
Get away.
Bark, 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 bark.
All right, assistant. So you found Roxy. Let's see if we can get Roxy to land in that ball pit.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Look here. Back through here. All right. Now we're back to the ball pit, right?
Right.
Hey, wait. Oh, and there is Waffles.
Waffles.
She's really interested to see if Roxy can make it. Right. There's Roxy. She's all. Oh, there's Waffles. There's Roxy. She's all the way up at the top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? Set. Go. Waffles, watch out.
Oh, so close.
Whoa.
I think we should try it again. What do you think?
Yeah. Definitely. Okay.
Where'd Wiggles go?
No idea.
Wiggles sometimes plays and then he gets tired and leaves.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, so close again, Roxy.
Didn't even make it to the ramp.
She didn't make it to the ramp. So I think we should maybe adjust the ramp. Let's put it so there's no lip right there. All right, so we move the ramp. So again, assistant, up here, what kind of energy does Roxy have?
Potential.
Potential energy, right?
Yeah.
And as she goes down, the distance from where she's at to the ground is what?
Kinetic energy.
That's the kinetic energy. That's the potential energy that gets turned into kinetic energy.
Right.
As she actually rolls down, that's kinetic energy, right?
Right.
And it's caused by what?
Gravity.
Gravity. That's right. All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, she made it!
Awesome.
Good job, assistant, adjusting that Paw Patrol Lookout Tower.
Yeah.
All right, should we try the remote controlled vehicle now?
The big one?
The big one. There it is.
guess
The
I
big
should.
one.
Ugh.
All right, you think it's gonna make it?
Hopefully.
Well, this is a big jump for it. Hey, people, do you like our new setup with all our new videos? With all these ramps and jumps?
Look, the tailgate is down.
All right.
Oh, is this straight?
Let's see, pretty close.
3, 2, 1.
Go! Oh, that was pretty close.
Yeah, it was pretty close.
Should we try it again?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh no. Oh no, I keep pressing the go button.
Uh-oh. You know, one way you can do it, assistant, is you actually start it by holding it up and then you drop it. It makes it go straighter, actually. So if you lift it up and you have it straight,
My hands aren't big enough.
you gotta hold it straight. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That didn't work.
No, it did not.
All right. So, assistant, what should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That's right.
Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye, everyone.